Hello friends, welcome back to our video series on Python programming. I hope by now you have installed the IDE or the idle of Python, and if people are not using Python idle, then they can use Visual Studio Code along with some extension like Code Runner. So let me create the first Python program, or let us test if Python is working properly in the environment. So I will open my terminal, and inside my terminal I will just type Python Python and hit enter. Here you see the shell is on, and I will print simple hello world for you and hit enter, and here you see the output. That means Python has been installed successfully on the computer and it's working absolutely fine. For those who are working with Python idle on Windows or on Mac or on Ubuntu, let me just open the idle for you. So here it is. In the shell I will type Python, hit enter, or I'll just type print hello world double quotes, hit enter. So here it prints hello world for me. So we are running in shell, so either you can use Python shell and along with that you can use idle, or you can use Visual Studio Code. Let me go ahead and create the first program for you. Okay, here in the Visual Studio Code, what we can do is we can open our folder by clicking on File, Open Folder, and right now my folder is on the desktop, so I just select Python programming. So I recommend you to create a separate folder for your code and click OK. So it will open the folder for me, and let us go ahead and create the first file, and let us name that file as hello.py. So I click on new file and I type hello.py, hit enter. And understanding the basic syntax, if you want to print something, we will use print function and we'll say hello world. In order for me to run this program, I need to come out of the terminal, so I'll just press Ctrl Z. The Python shell has been stopped, and I can use a command which is Python Python space my file name, that is hello.py, and hit enter. Okay, so there's a spelling mistake, it's Python, so Python space hello.py, and here you see it's printing hello world. Another way, if you're using your idle, what we'll do is we'll just run the idle, and inside the idle what we'll do is we'll say we want to create a new file, and I will just write the same code, that is print, and instead of hello let's write test the file or test the module, and let's. Alright, so after writing this print function, what we'll do is we'll save this file. So I'll click on file, go to save. It will open the location, so I would like to save it in my desktop. On my desktop, here it is. On my desktop I go to this folder Python programming and I just type test. I can give an extension as .py. I'll just write the name of my file and click on save. Once the file is saved, we'll click on run module. So it will run the module in shell, and here we get the output, test the module. So this was a basic program writing a print function to print whatever we want, and let's continue with the next videos that will be on variables. Thank you for watching the video series. I hope you're liking the series, and I want you to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you.